In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily edit text in Adobe Express to keep your designs looking fresh and professional. Whether you are updating a social media post, a flyer, or a presentation, knowing how to manipulate your text is a fundamental skill that every creator needs. Let us start with the basics of changing the actual content. When you have your project open on the canvas, simply navigate to the text box you want to modify. You do not need to hunt through complex menus to start typing. Instead, just double-click directly on the text box. This action will highlight the existing words and allow you to type in your new message immediately. It is a seamless process that feels very intuitive. Once you have updated the content, you will likely want to customize how it looks to match your brand or the overall vibe of your project. This is where the right-hand Properties panel comes into play. As long as your text box is selected, this panel will offer a wide variety of styling options. You can browse through a massive library of professional fonts to find the perfect typeface for your design. If you want to change the color, just click on the color swatch in the panel to open up the palette. You can choose from preset colors, use the eyedropper tool to match a color already in your image, or enter a specific hex code for total precision. Beyond